if I were to define a spiral, I would say a spiral is a wrap that goes all the way to the center, like to the tip, and then reverses. Tapback, wrap, and spiral are all similar techniques in my model. A spiral is the version of it where you go all the way to the center. Like the head goes all the way to the hand, right? They meet. Head and hand meet. With a tapback, it's just the tip, just for a second, just to see how it feels. And the wrap is somewhere in the middle, right? Where you go some amount of it around, but not all of it. But there's definitely some leash involved. So the spiral is the whole leash, the tapback is just the tip, and the wrap is a little bit of shaft and a little bit of tip. Overhand is much harder. Underhand is much more intuitive. You probably can just, with your underhand, you can probably just slide it back without having to pinch it in the same sort of way. It'll probably be much easier. An overhand is really tough, and I cheated when I did it, because what I did was, what you didn't see was I took my hand and I pinched with my thumb so that I could get around my hand. This is all about manipulating where your knob is, right? Yeah, for my spirals, I feel like I can't do a spiral when my knob is at the tip of my hand. I feel like I need to have it in the crook of the L, right? It's got to be all the way down in the crack. So when I'm with the tip's got to get all the way in there. And so when I am pinching, when I'm like this and it's at the tip, when I put my thumb there, what I'm doing is I'm moving it from holding it like this to holding it like this, where I'm pulling it into the crook of my L. Slip it in the slot, baby. Slip it in the slot.